Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Office 365 account. But currently Microsoft changed its name on April 21st to Microsoft 365. Okay, first let's go to this website and then click try free for 1 month. Okay, I'm gonna put my own domain address here and click next. It tells you don't have a Microsoft account, then I'm gonna create one here. Just to put my personal information here. The company name. So after you done this, just click next. Okay, then you need to put a validate mobile number, and then it will send a code to your mobile. And I got it. I put it and verify my account. Here you can put anything you want, like your company name, and the rest is the Microsoft domain. And the Microsoft will help you to check it if it's still available or not. Okay, so this one is available, and click next. Then you need to create your first Microsoft Office 365 account. I just put the admin here, then put the password. That's the one when you log into Office 365. And you can choose how Microsoft wants to contact you. Click email, click sign up. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can link your domain, your personal domain, to your Office 365 account. I also will show you how you can migrate your emails from your current IMAP account to Office 365. Okay, so after this done, and you will see it's asking how many users you want to create and how much it will cost. And then you need to put your credit card information here. Then you click Start a Trial. Okay, you are all set. Then click Go to Setup. So Business Premium includes all the services, but it's a little bit more expensive. So after it's been activated, it's gonna redirect you to the console page. It's already logged in, and you can follow the steps to configure other things. I'm not gonna do that right now, so you can click Exit Setup, and we can set them up later. Thank you for watching. See you next time.